Hello friends, I am Vilas Surane again. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Positive Mind. Friends, today I am going to talk about a different story, a different topic. The topic name is For every exit there is an entry. For every exit there is an entry. I don't know how many of you may agree with me, but believe me, this statement is very true. Friends, if we have to achieve something new in our life, we have to exit from somewhere, and this is the time when we have to take strong decision. This is the law of nature. When either by some other force or by yourself you cease to be exiting from some place, some relationship, some environment, believe me, there is a beautiful entry waiting for you. So be ready for that. Don't be afraid. Most of the time, people are not ready to change, not ready to leave their current state. For example, in corporate world, if someone is leaving the company for any reason, he is exiting that company, obviously somebody is entering in that position, so some exit is entry for someone else. So in that sense, there is another entry waiting for you somewhere else in the world. You just have to find out. Don't be afraid. Be ready to grab the opportunity. Be ready to accept the change. I'll explain you this concept with further few examples wherein they are very clear and easily understandable. The very first and classic example, when a child exits from mother's womb, it gets life. Or in other words, we can say, to get a life, the child has to exit from mother's womb. I think you all must be agree with this statement. There is another classic example, when a caterpillar breaks his own shell and exists out of that shell cocoon, it becomes a beautiful butterfly. But think, if he decides not to exit from his current state, the entire life it will become a caterpillar. Similarly, Mahatma Gandhi, he was a lawyer. Suppose if he said, no, I'll be a lawyer only, I'll not exit this current state, what would have happened? We didn't have got the freedom that easily. He exited that current state and expanded his vision, his area, his environment, and we got a nation, father of the nation. There is another classic example, when a river water it wants to become big part of big ocean. What is the solution? It has to exit from the river bank and it has to go in the ocean. So when that water flows, takes its way and enters into sea, it becomes a ocean water. So you have to exit your current state, current friends, current colleagues. Don't be attached to current environment. Attachment, love, affection, everything is good. That is fine. But don't make all those things hold you for your growth. And I conclude with my last and beautiful example. If a bud decides not to exit its current state, we will not see a beautiful flower. I hope you understood the crux of the story. So, whenever you feel that something is pushing you to exit, or you feel that you have to exit from the current state, believe me, there is a good entry waiting for you. Just go for it, and a beautiful entry will be yours. Thank you.